This is what it looks like out here while I'm grilling. There's Gracie. There's my grill. Got some chickens in here. I'm not going to open it. Got some stuff warming up. I think it's still. I don't know. Might not have it. Not much. But, Biscuit. Look back there. You see that little orange spot between 1, 2, 3. There he is. Biscuit! Come on, Biscuit. Gracie. Gracie. Oh, Gracie. Come on, Gracie. These cats were sitting there tussling earlier. Biscuit was taking a crap behind a tree, and right after he was covering it up, Gracie charged him. That's about the worstest way to get charged, right after you use the John. It's a beautiful fall sunset. What's the temperature? I just put in some hot stuff. 200. I need to go up to about 225, 275.